today I'm going to show you how to do analysis on EFX chart, that is Estcon futures exchange trading chart, before you can open a trade. If you go to the Estcon futures portal or page, you see that there are two exchange types. I'm talking of here. You have buy order, that is open buy order and open sell order. These are the two exchange type you can open, and each of them comes with condition and terms before you can open each of them. It affects your exchange return. Let me go to Academy. That is a Penvest Academy. I think that's where you're gonna see what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is Estcon futures exchange. I want to bring the idea of what I want to tell you there. And that's where you read more info about. Yes, that's trading strategy. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. Make sure you save this. It's very, very important. You can even screenshot it once you go to Academy. It says, if you are opening a buy order, choose an Estcon size with low current EFX rates and high trading volume. So what it suggests is that brokers are selling and the price may soon rise. Then if you are opening a sell order, choose an Estcon size with high current EFX rate and low trading volume. This is just the rule. Buy order comes with low EFX rate and high trading volume. Sell order comes with high EFX rate and low trading volume. That's just it. So I'm going to go back so that we do our analysis well. I think this is where am I? This is the page, yeah. So I will go back to that EFX chart and you see what I'm talking about. So if you click on this 500 SQM, that is, if you want to trade at 500, that is Estcon size 500, you check. This is EFX rate is 26%, trading volume is 1505, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 800. In all these things, which of them have the lowest EFX rate? 150, 1260, 1330, 1085, 1085, and 115, 1155, 1295. So we are looking at 800 and we are looking at 900. Now this 800 and 900, let's say we want to open a sell order. A sell order talks about a low. Let me check again so that you understand what I'm talking about. Sell order says low trading volume. That's what sell order says here. Low trading volume and then high EFX rate. So I will go back. Low trading volume and high EFX rate. So it means that we are going with 900 because it has a low trading volume and the EFX rate is high. It is higher than this 800. You just see. So if you want to open a buy order now, we check high. I think the highest is 500. Let me check. The highest we are looking at 1330 and 1505. So, but which one of them have the lowest EFX rate? 500. I think. Yes, 500. Because 700 has EFX rate of 50% and 500 has EFX rate of 26%. So if you want to open buy order, you should be going with 500. If you want to open sell order, you should be going with 900. That's just the fact about this. Then most times, if you, after analysis, maybe I can open this 900 now on sell order, and once I open it, I will not be getting high bid rate. Let me explain. Let me do it practical. I want to open that sell order of 900. Go to Estcon futures, open sell order. That's Terra Estcon. If you check very well, it was Terra Estcon. So I'm going with 900. The market price is 15. Let me go with 20 because it's a sell order. I'll just go with 20. So this limit price, this particular limit price now, you can even enter something like 1000 here, 1000 PTGN. You can even enter 5. The minimum is 5. You can 5 to even 1 million PTGN once you have it in your EFX balance. So if you want to fund your EFX balance, let's say I want to add funds to my EFX balance, I'll just click on fund. Once you click on fund, just click, this has to load. Let me reload this. So if you click on fund account now, I want to add 4. The EFX balance now is 136. So if I add 4, it will be 140. I click on confirm deposit. So funding successful. So I will click on exit. So it's now 140. It's now 140 PTG. I just funded my EFX balance. You know, this is EFX balance. If you want to withdraw like money, you have to withdraw it. You click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, then you can withdraw the amount to your wallet balance or your cash balance. So let me go again with that sell order. We set up the account again. Terra. I will enter Xchange. 900. I will go with 20 PTGN. 20. I don't want this video to be long, but the network made it long, so I will just open this order, and then you see what I'm talking about about bid rate. So this particular one I enter now. Your question will be like, you are entering with 20 PTGN. If I watch it from Nigeria, this is like 20,000. The maximum profit you can make is 10,000 naira, which means you can get up to 30,000 naira. That is 50%, and you cannot lose. Also, you cannot lose more than 50%. So you cannot lose more than 10,000, and you cannot gain more than 10,000 in this particular trade. That's just what EFX. That is the kind of the guideline or the feature of this EFX. So most times, if you are taking consistent profit, it makes it easier for you. So I will open this exchange order now. I think I have set up everything. Alright, so getting brokers Estcon exchange rate. So you will see what I'm talking about: high bid rate and low bid rate. You see, most times I show you this. This is where you are looking at. You see 18, 21, 25. That is like 25%. So once it gets a bid rate that is okay by me, I will just take return. 19 is lower than 20, so which is like a loss. 20 is lower than 20, like a loss. You see 30, yes. I've clicked on take return now. It's because the network is a kind of fluctuating, but just don't worry, it will load. Yes, because the network was a kind of just want you to know how it can go. Nigeria network is not stable, but you see the entry limit price is 20. I'm talking of this. It has just shown the entry limit price is 20, and now the exit limit price is 30, which means I made a profit of 10 PTGN. That is 10,000 naira from this particular trade. You get. So I think my balance was 140. Once I click on take another trade, all these things will reflect. You will see my EFX balance. You see 149.85 because of charges. I think 0.02 charges. So I've made 10,000 naira from this particular trade. If you go to my EFX trades, you see the last trades I have taken. Yeah, you see, and I took 900 for duel. I was making a loss then until this one now. 900 SQM for Terra is a profit. You understand? So I can repeat this Terra now for even another Estcon, and I might be making a profit. So if you see a particular Estcon size on a particular sell order or buy order, you can repeat the trades. You can execute the trades multiple times. If you see most of my trades, I execute multiple times. If I see 900, I will execute like 2 times to make sure that I can take profit twice, so that I will not be doing another analysis afresh, because doing analysis, it might take you time to do analysis to come up with. So, and once I do one and I see even a small loss, I will stop for that day. If you see, I've just taken this trade for today and it goes properly. I don't take more than 2. Most times, if I take more than 2, I will see a loss. So once I do my analysis very well, I will just take that single trade for that day. Sometimes I take twice, sometimes I take 3 times in a day, and that's all. Once I take twice and I see profit, I have to take the third one. I have to take another one. But once I take that last one and I see anything loss, I don't come out for that day. I will not do for that day again. So, but if you take the first one and you see a loss, maybe you can try the second one. And if you see a loss again, don't take for that day. Go and do analysis again. Repeat your analysis. Then the question might be, why is it that you can do your analysis and after your analysis, then it's not going again? See what the cause, the reason why it is so. I will show you the reason why it is so. Let me go to EFX chart. I think the network is a kind of poor. Maybe say in my next video, I will tell you, because this network is fluctuating. So, and I have to post this video for today. So, see what I'm talking about. Because now I'm analyzing Estcon. My analysis for Estcon might be perfect. It might be perfect. Then, if I after clicking on Analyse Xchange, I now get a perfect analysis for Estcon. And after getting that a perfect analysis for Estcon, I don't know that brokers are now buying Shelter Estcon at that same particular rate. That's why your analysis might be wrong, even though you are right, but it might not be getting high bid rate, because you might be analyzing Estcon not knowing that brokers are buying another Estcon at that particular rate, and that's why it might change. That's why once you do this one and you do it correctly, go immediately and proceed with that one. Then if you not do it, if you come back, you know that if I You load this in again, you find out that I'm now analyzing another Estcon. It's no longer, you see, it has changed to Zando Estcon. You get. So then once you do analysis for this Zando Estcon now, and your analysis is right, and you take it, and it's not going, it means maybe it's now going for another Estcon. And that might be the reason why analysis might be wrong. That's why I said, and once you take the first trade and it goes properly, maybe you don't take another trade again for that day. Take that profit for that day. But you can take it twice, three times, 4 times, if it gives you consistent profit, consistent high bid rate. That's how this Estcon futures works, and how you can do analysis properly. So, like what we do most times is, once we do an analysis and it is working, we can give out that signal that you can go for this Zando Estcon at now, because the analysis is correct, is working for that Zando Estcon. Brokers are still buying at that same rate. And there's what they call Estcon Exchange. Apart from this Estcon futures exchange, there's what they call Estcon Exchange. That's where brokers and traders buy Estcon at their own convenient prices, and that is what is affecting this particular trade that is going here. So I'm just telling you this based on experience on what I have done here on Estcon futures. I've done like more than 100 trades, more than 100 and counting now. I do trades almost every day, and I've got this particular experience of how I even get signals to give people, and it's working. Once I give people signals, most times they take profit on their signals. So that's about it.